So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to import invoices into Xero. So firstly, log into SaaS and Transaction Online application and click on the bulk upload menu. Now to select your entity, choose Invoices as the specific Xero entity you want to import data into. Select and upload the spreadsheet file, usually a CSV or Excel format that contains your raw invoice data. Now set up data mapping. You must tell SaaS and which column in your spreadsheet corresponds to which specific field in Xero, like matching your client name. Now click Upload and SaaS and will process the file and push the data directly into your connected Xero account. Once the loading screen finishes, your data is successfully imported. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this, and drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next, and I will see you on the next video.